Well, here we're looking at Baidu, and this is one that hit our target here that we had uh, our feeling was it, yeah, although we were going to possibly see this to the 160 level, we talked about if we're going to see any turn, it probably could happen around the 180 level. We saw it hit 180.54 and a pretty good move off that range. I think we're seeing this trying to come back a little bit, and very likely, could do so. This is one that has been, I think, doing rather well for us. We're made about 20 points or so, but this is starting to kind of close the gap a little bit. So if it starts to make, as it starts to try to kind of test this again around the 185, I think we're going to go. We're going to start to cover on this one also. I think we're starting to see some of these come back a little bit. And even though I think this is still very vulnerable to further action to the downside, I think we could probably see another swing higher here. If we're going to start to see it kind of come, we could try to reshort again as it kind of moves back up into this range here. But you could clearly see this long tail and it's starting to really kind of hold that low range. So I do think we'll see this bounce back up into maybe to the 205 or even a little higher. So we're going to cover this position and let it rally a little bit, as I think the market's trying to kind of resolve itself higher here. But I do think that some of these are starting to gain some strength, some of our short positions. So we're going to cover some of them.